Most people leave school knowing algebra, but not how credit actually works. They're never taught investing, taxes, or how the financial system really functions, as if that knowledge is a privilege reserved for the elite. Meanwhile, society pushes a system of constant consumption and sells the appearance of wealth instead of giving people the tools to build it. Well, my name is Samira, and I'd like to fix that system for you if you'll let me. As a finance attorney who spent years in that complex system of huge student loan debt, low credit scores, and confusing taxes, I've learned how to master the system and build wealth. My goal is to simplify the rules of personal finance using AI tools so that you can understand them and use them with confidence. The truth is, most of us were never taught how money really works. We learned how to earn a paycheck, but not how to build wealth. We were taught how to work for money, but not how to make money work for us. Here, you'll learn practical strategies on how to eliminate debt, increase your income, invest with confidence, improve your credit, build multiple streams of revenue, and create lasting financial freedom. Because let's be honest, the internet is full of people promising overnight success, secret formulas, and guaranteed riches. If you've become skeptical, I don't blame you, but that's not what you'll find here. Blueprint2Wealth isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or selling unrealistic dreams. It's about practical financial education and smart decisions that can move you closer to the life you want. Because real wealth isn't built overnight. It's built on one good habit and one smart choice at a time. Being wealthy is about having choices. The choice to spend more time with your family, the choice to travel when you want, the choice to leave a job that no longer serves you, the choice to live life on your own terms. If you're ready to start building wealth with knowledge, discipline, and purpose, then you're in the right place. Join the family and let's build your financial future. Your blueprint is ready. Now let's build wealth together.